Hey, what's up? It's Ninja Nick, and I'm gonna take you for a ride with me. I'm gonna take my favorite route and explain my thought process as I go. Let's get after it. So let's jump on the freeway here. And let's take it up to speed and make our upshifts. This part up here. These are the roundabouts. Through the first one, and there's one more up ahead. Accelerate out, just like so. stop by the red light. No big deal. Do some rev matching, tap the brakes to let people behind us know we're stopping, and we'll just come to that stop. Nice, slow, and controlled. Whenever I'm at a stoplight, I like to be in first gear. That way, if someone's coming in too hot, release the clutch, you're out of here. Light should be changing pretty soon, I hope. There's going to be a road a little further up we're going to take a right down. Beautiful area. Alright, let's get going. Make our upshifts and we'll merge on over. Have to adjust our speed a little bit here because of the traffic up ahead. Going a little slower. It's okay. And I believe it's going to be this first right. Is it the first right? Let's take a look. This is. Let's take a right here. Be careful because of gravel. We can go a little slower. And here we are. I absolutely love this road, and you'll see why up ahead. This is so fun. This is so fun. Just out here cruising. Riding honestly kind of puts me in a goofy mood. I just love swaying back and forth. And up here's what I was talking about. Right here. Good old Twisty sign. So we get to make some turns, which is pretty fun. Concentrating on making the turns. Starting out wide, moving towards the apex, accelerating out, you name it. Now we just have this long downhill straightaway. Again, just beautiful. I love riding. It's an adrenaline rush, honestly. Like, you just can sit here on the bike and ride, and you just forget about everything, and it's fun. I mean, it's so hard to explain if you haven't rode a motorcycle, because there's genuinely no better feeling. Love it out here. Motorcycles, definitely a mood booster. Just out here, out in the country, just living life, having a good time. I don't know, I kind of do this when I'm just chilling. I put my arm on the tank. I don't know. There's a couple different poses I do. There's also the classic biker pose where you have your arm and your hand just kind of on your leg like that, but got a stop sign up ahead. We'll turn right here. Rev matching, love the rev match. Gotta love the rev match. And down this road. And our acceleration. Casually hit a red line. That works. We'll swing another right over here. Let's do a redlining first. Don't sleep on the Ninja 400. This is a fun bike. It's so light and quick. Like, it handles so well in corners too. I mean, this thing is awesome. This thing is awesome. me just being goofy. That's me. All right, let's downshift to redline it and rev it. Sure, sounds like a good idea to me. I just love. I love riding. If I haven't said that already, but no, I'm just out here having a good time. Definitely picked up a couple bugs on the visor. That happened, so I have to wash that off. That'll happen when you're going down those country roads. Probably the front of the bike too. Just washed it, but I don't mind washing it. It's fun. You wash it, and then you take a step back to admire it. Maintenance is fun. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. This is actually my second ride of the day. I rode for a couple hours this morning, got the itch, and came back out here again. It's an addiction. Riding is an addiction, 100%. To all of you who are still here, I want to say thank you for joining me on my ride. It's been a pleasure, and I hope you can join me on more. 2 fingers down, follow for more.